Myanmar witnessed fresh violence as at least 29 people, including children, have been killed. The casualties were caused by an artillery strike on a camp for displaced people in northeast Myanmar. According to reports, the camp is located in an area controlled by the Kachin Independence Organization or KIO, which is an insurgent group fighting the country's ruling junta. A KIO spokesperson informed that all the victims were civilians. It is one of the deadliest attacks reported in the junta's decades-long fight against Kachin insurgents. Kachin officials said that the junta has scaled up attacks over the past year because of growing Kachin support for other insurgent groups fighting the military government. Myanmar has been embroiled in conflict since a 2021 military coup displaced the country's civilian government. The military has increasingly used airstrikes against their opponents since seizing power. The exiled National Unity Government or NUG has blamed the junta for the attack on the camp. It described it as a war crime and a crime against humanity. Junta spokesperson Major General Zaw Min Tun denied that the military was behind the attack. He claimed that the army did not have any operations in the area but said that the destruction was probably caused by stockpiled explosives. Images shared by local media showed corpses being pulled from the rubble and dozens of body bags lying side by side. According to reports, the attack took place late on Monday night. Reports said that it happened in the Mong Lai headquarters, which is some 2 miles away from the KIA's headquarters in the mountainous town of Laiza. KIA officials said that the parts of the camp were destroyed by powerful explosions at around midnight. Kachin officials believe that at least 11 children are among those killed. 56 more people were also injured in the latest attack, 44 of whom had been taken to the hospital for treatment. The United Nations in Myanmar said that it is deeply concerned about reports of deaths in the camp. The area around the camp, which lies on the border with China, has experienced conflict for decades. However, according to reports, locals said that no fighting has taken place near the camp in recent times. It is possible that the attack was carried out from the air. Almost exactly 1 year ago, the Myanmar Air Force used precision-guided bombs to attack an open-air concert at another Kachin base in the night, killing more than 80 people. Last October, more than 60 people were killed when the military launched airstrikes on Anampa in Kachin state. The Kachin Independence Army or KIA, which is the KIO's armed wing, is one of the largest and most powerful insurgent groups in Myanmar. It has been battling the military for decades, even before the 2021 coup. The military reportedly has 2 main issues against the KIA. One for its armed clashes with the junta since a ceasefire between the two broke down in 2011, and the second for its backing of other insurgent groups. KIA has a long-standing alliance with the Arakan army based in Rakhine state and is believed to be supplying weapons to other insurgent groups in Myanmar.